Welcome to the Multnomah County District Attorney's Office website. We are dedicated to providing the citizens of Multnomah County with an open and balanced administration of justice, one that honors and respects diversity in all of its forms. We are committed to timely and cost-effective justice services. At the Multnomah County District Attorney's Office, our staff adheres to the highest ethical standards, something that our community should expect and deserves.
I think we're looking at someone who's not adhering to the highest ethical standards.
One thing for me, I hope you're ashamed of yourself. You should be. It's 70 degrees out, you have bunny boots on.
Who we're just seeing is Rod Underhill. He's the DA for the county that surrounds Portland. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of the county because I am too tired to be concerned with that part. But anyway, moving on. The reason why I'm doing a video or tyrant alert on this little issue, or calling for a call flood as I like to call it, on the DA, is specifically of what he's doing. Currently, he is targeting the Film the Police Portland people, and he is trying to hit them as hard as possible. He has made sure that a person that has assaulted and destroyed property of one of their members let go for his crimes. They're not charging him on that part. I will have a link to the video of that below about that issue. Mike Blue Hair has been doing a pretty good job of covering the stuff. That's also who I was getting information from on this issue down in that area. Also, News Now Houston was first alerting me about this issue after learning about it from someone else. Now, furthermore, Son of Hightower was recently arrested and is currently being held in jail on 3 misdemeanors, specifically a wiretap charge, a trespass charge, and a telephone harassment charge. Now, the bail is $250,000 because the DA here pushed for that specific bail and the judge decided to sign off on it. The problem is that bail is in violation of the Eighth Amendment. Obviously, extremely excessive for his wage, and the bail is only meant to make sure he's supposed to show up for court. Now, here's the fun thing. There's case law on this, all the way back from the 1950s, during the Red Scare, where what happened was a bunch of people got arrested, and the district court set their bail amount to $50,000, which equates to roughly $500,000 in modern day time period, roughly 2017 time period for the most part, if you account for inflation. That's quite a bit. Double of what Son of Hightower is currently sitting in jail for, unable to get out or get the bail money going because it's such high amount. Now, I'll have a link to the Wikipedia article covering that specific case if you want to go ahead and look it up yourself. But I recommend if you call up the DA, mention this case. Maybe he'll think twice and reverse what he's got set for bail. But I highly doubt it, considering he also made sure to drop the charges for the guy who assaulted one of the other people that was going out there and investigating the incident behind Son of Hightower's arrest. Because the Son of Hightower went to go and try to do an ambush interview at the house of a police officer. And turns out that there's someone else that is there or owns the property now. And that led to an interesting confrontation or whatever. But eventually the police ended up getting involved and realized, oh, there's, I guess, a warrant out for arrest or something like that, and arrested him. Now, Son of Hightower is not the only one being targeted here. Robert West is also being targeted, and he was involved in an arrest in a separate incident due to some weird bullshit, where apparently he is not allowed to be within like 20 feet of cops and stuff like that. I'll also have links to those videos in the description so you can go and check that out. Mike Blue Hair has been doing a pretty good job covering the stuff that's been going on over there. And so I recommend keeping an eye on his channel for getting updates. But as is, right now, we got a judge and a DA in the Portland area that is violating people's rights. This is unacceptable. This is unethical. And according to him, he's holding his staff up to the high ethical standards. Well, guess what? I highly doubt that if the head DA there is not holding himself up to high ethical standards. You should probably check yourself, DA. Numbers in the description below. Other information is in the description below. Enjoy.
From a friendly and insightful ear and advocacy in the courtroom to helping seek restitution for losses resulting from criminal activity.